You know, since there's no dining table in here, I eat my food right here because there ain't no table for me to sit. So, by the time I get done eating, I have to clean up and try to get the pizza crumbs. So, which I'm going to demonstrate. So, this is how I do it. You stick the needle right here and go scraping like this. Ow! What? What's the matter, Melissa? Why are you stabbing me with that dentist tool? To get the pizza crumbs out of you? Well, that thing hurts like hell! Okay, sorry. Now, I'm gonna continue doing this. Just go like this. Ow! What? Stop stabbing me with that little thing! Now we're gonna go right here. Ow! Stop it! It's hurting me! Okay, it's done. That's how you get food out of a washer's lid.